of you. I am your social sir with you. Today we are going to continue the last one topic. Okay. So what is the topic means black money. So that is a black money means that is a black is a color. So we are also mention some of the illegal activities. For that example, if I mention it black sheep and black cat and black money, so that is a color of black that is we are using frequently, that is a illegal or sad. So these are the things we are using a black, that means that is a illegal activities, illegal way of earning money. Okay, that is also called as a the black money. Okay, black money is a fund earned by the black market. Okay, so black market means so that is a that money came from illegal manner. Okay, so which income and other taxes not be paid. Okay, so that is the income, and after that that means that the taxes. Okay, so that the income and taxes are not being paid of the government, that kind of money is also called as the black money. And unaccounted money. Okay, so that is not accounted money, that is unaccounted money. And concealed from the tax administrator is called as a black money. Okay, so concealed means keep secret or hidden money. Okay, so and that is a that said by the tax administrator. So that kind of money is also called as a black money. Okay, so first one we learn black money. Black money is a fund earned on the black market, on which income and other taxes have not been paid. The unaccounted money so is concealed from the tax administrator is called as a black money. The important words are the on earned on black market, and next one is the taxes. Okay, yeah, not be paid, that is unaccounted money. And after that there is a concealed from the tax administrator. Okay, so that kind of quality having in a money means that money is considered as a black money. Okay, shall we move to the next one? So next one is causes of black money. Okay, so what are the causes having in a black money? If money is also referred as a black money means so what is the causes that is happen? Okay, yeah, so these are the things shall be discussed. Okay, so the several causes of black money are identified as causes. The first one is the shortage of goods. Okay, so that is if black money having means that the goods not produced by our country. That is why what is happen means shortage. Okay, so that is also happen. And next one licensing. Okay, produce preceding. Okay, yeah, that is also happened there. Okay, if the government next one stage what is doing means if a license. Okay, so if persons or organization having license means there is a continue job. Okay, so that is also said there. And the contribution of industrial sector. Okay, so in the contribution or industrial sector, that is also referred by the black money. And smuggling. Okay, yes, smuggling means so that is the illegal activities of goods. Okay, so that is also happened there. And tax structure. Okay, so that is also increasingly having. Okay, so in on the black money having means these are the reflection on the society that is also happened there. Okay, next one is tax evasion. Okay, students, uh, this time, okay, we are learn black money and black money causes. I hope, okay, these two paragraph we are clear. So that is why I move to the next one. Okay, next one is a tax evasion. The tax evasion is a illegal evasion. Evasion means not paid the tax. Okay, if one person not paid tax means that is also referred as a tax evasion. Okay, so the tax evasion is a illegal evasion of taxes by individuals. That is a tax evasion that is a include by the persons, that means individuals, and the corporation, or that is one of the organization also. Okay, so not paid by the taxes, and trust also not paid by the taxes. So these are the three organization and individuals. Okay, so individuals and corporation trust, so these are the, okay, involving in the in the process of tax evasion. Okay, next, that is tax evasion activities include. Okay, so what does happen? Okay, so if that organization or individuals done by the tax evasion means the underreporting income. Okay, so if one person, okay, earned 1 lakh per month means that person mention, okay, 10,000, okay, on his income, okay, 10,000 per month. Okay, that kind of reporting is also called as a under reporting income. Okay, next one, inflating deduction or expenses. Okay, so that the inflating deduction means so that I having a, okay, so losses. Okay, some of the losses I faced. Okay, that is why I not paid by the tax. That is the reason said by the person or organization. And the expenses. Okay, expenses means if one industries, if one person, okay, saying, okay, a lot of expenses. Okay, so I buying okay, this industry and this flat for this year. That is why I spend money, lot of much more money I spend it. Okay, that is why. Okay, so these are the reasons said by the individuals or organization. And hiding money means keep in secret of money. And next one is hiding interests in a offshore account. Okay, so offshore means that is in a foreign countries. Okay, if the person earned money or earned properties in the foreign countries, that is also called as a hiding interest in the offshore accounts. Okay, so are you clear tax evasion? Shall we move to the next one topic? So next one topic is okay, tax evasion penalties. Okay, so if the person, okay, willfully commit the act of tax evasion, okay, voluntarily, okay, if the person, okay, involved in the tax evasion means so he faces the felony charges. Okay, so what is this felony charge? Felony means worse or bad. Okay, so he was treated. Okay, and next one, so that the evasion and penalties also, okay, so include by the government. And that person also included in the imprisonment of 5 years. Okay, so if the person are committed, okay, a tax evasion means that the person are punished on, okay, imprisonment in 5 years. Okay, so and after that high amount of fines also put, okay, by the government. And next, the defiant may also be ordered to pay the cost of, okay, perquisition. Okay, so that is means that is a high amount of cost to pay that. Okay, so that is also informed by the government. The tax evasion penalties can be harsh and depending on the severity of the crime. Okay, if the person, so what is the crime? Okay, how much they are, okay, tax evaded evasion, that is also happen means that is on the based on the penalties and the harshness. Okay, so those also, okay, based. And next one. Okay, so we are completed the second one topic, the tax evasion. Shall we move to the next one? So that is a third, next one topic is taxes and development. Okay, so on the, okay, in this topic we have six, okay, subheadings. The first one is the resources mobilization and reduction inequalities of income and social welfare and foreign exchange and regional development and control of inflation. Okay, yeah. So these are the subheadings also having there. So we are seeing one by one. Okay, So the first one is the resources mobilization. Okay, so mobilization means that the frequently having, okay, that kind of resources. Okay, that is also called as resources mobilization. We paid the tax means, so that is the government also having a revenue. That means there is a money also having there. That is why that government, okay, some kind of works also done by that. Okay, so we pay tax, then only government also function. Okay, so that is also called as a resource mobilization. Okay, the taxation, okay, enables the government to mobilize a substantial amount of revenue. That means that the government keeping a certain amount. Okay, so why it is means we are paying a tax. Okay, so the tax revenue is generated by the imposing of what is so imposed by the government means the direct tax. Okay, direct tax such as the personal tax, income tax, these are also called as direct tax. Some of the indirect taxes. Okay, so indirect tax such as custom duty and excise duty. So these are the tax put by the government, and after that the resources also kept by the government. Okay, that is the first one. That taxes, we pay taxes means there is a government improved there. Okay, so next one, the reduction inequalities of income. Okay, so we paid the tax means, so that is a, okay, the progressive that is also happened there. Okay, and after that the society is not to be inequality. Okay, so that can be eradicated by the, so we are paying a tax. Okay, so that the reduction inequalities of income, that is the next one topic. The taxation follow the principles of equality. The direct taxes are progressive nature. Okay, so what is this, the direct taxes, what is nature? Progressive in nature. And certain indirect taxes, okay, has like that uh, okay, luxury tax also, uh, that is the indirect tax, that is in a progressive in nature. Okay, so next, shall we move to the next one topic, social welfare. We consider the social welfare, that is also we are putting a tax. Okay, so for the example in alcohol. Okay, so alcohol, that is a injury of life. Okay, so in the society, so we put high tax to the alcohol means, the persons, okay, a people or citizen of the country not to buying a alcohol. Okay, so that is why, so our government put high tax on certain illegal, okay, things. Okay, so that kind of uh, okay, development is also called as a social welfare. Okay, the taxation generates social welfare. The social welfare is generated due to the higher tax, okay, on certain undesirable product like alcohol product. Okay, next one, so there is a foreign exchange. The taxation encourages export and restricted imports. Okay, so another one development is a foreign exchange. The, okay, encourages export. Okay, if the person, if the things are exported means that the country is encourages, okay, reduce the tax. That is also happened there. But import, okay, the import means that is a, we are buying a goods from the foreign countries. That's some kind of restriction, some kind of, okay, paying a tax on the import goods. Generally, generally developing countries and developed countries. Okay, so these are not imposed taxes on the export items. Okay, if the country, if the person something export means, uh, our government in the countries of, okay, uh, developing and developed countries not put the taxes. Okay, and the next one is regional development. The taxation plays an important role in the regional development. The tax incentives such as tax holidays and setting up industries in backward region, which induced business firms to set up industries in such region. Okay, so the regional development also happened there. So why it is means that is the government announcing some kind of incentives. Okay, incentives means some kind of offers, okay, for the industries to set up on the, okay, a backward region. Okay, so at this time the government, okay, announcing some kind of incentives. Why? Because means if the industries are set up in the backward region, it means a rural region, means the lot of the people got employment, okay, employed. Okay, so that is why uh, that kind of industry, that kind of regions, okay, set up by the industries, means the government announcing such incentives, that is also having there. Okay, and after that the tax holidays also announcing there. Okay, next one, the control of inflation. The inflation means that is a blackage of money, that is also called as a inflation. Okay, so that is the, okay, so that the what is another one development means control of inflation, that is also happened by the paying of taxes. The taxation can be used as an instrument for controlling in the inflation. Through the taxation, the government can control the inflation by reducing the tax on the commodities. Okay, so we are finishing up. So that is the taxation and development. So on this topic, so we have six subheadings also having there: resources mobilization and reduction inequalities of income and social welfare and foreign exchange and regional development, and after that the control of inflation. Okay, shall we move to the next one? So next one is a difference between tax and other payments. Okay, so what is means by the tax and what is means by the payments? Okay, so these are the things we are discussed. Our next one, the tax is a compulsory to the government without getting any direct benefits. Okay, so if we are paying a tax means we are not get any benefit. Okay, so we are earn income, so that is why according to our income we are paying a tax. Okay, so that is a compulsory one. Okay, we are compulsory paying a tax. Okay, so but the fee is a payment for getting any service. Okay, so if want to any service means so we are paying a tax. Okay, so next so that is the if the element of revenue for a general purpose of the, okay, a state uh, prodim predomin predominates, the levy become a tax. Okay, so if the element revenue is a general, okay, so that is a we are paying a tax means, so that is a that the tax, okay, are composed by the revenue. Okay, next one, the while fee payment is a specific benefit privileges. Okay, so we are paying a, okay, so some kind of special privileges we want means, then only we are paying a tax, we are paying a payment. Okay, so in after that the public interest also, that is also having a payment. Next one is a tax is a compulsory payment. Okay, we are paying a compulsory to the tax. Okay, so but fees is a voluntary payment, we wish to pay the payment means we are paying there, but we are not, okay, so wish to pay the payment means okay, neglected that. And next if the tax, okay, imposed on a person, he has to pay it. Okay, otherwise he has to penalized. Okay, if the person not paid by the tax means so, okay, so the government put the penalized, that is also happened there. Okay, so on the other hand, fee is not paid if the person don't want to got the service. Okay, if the person not paid by the payment means that, okay, so that the service not got by the person. Okay, next one, in this case of taxpayers does not accept any direct benefits. Okay, we are, okay, are not paid the tax means, so there is a direct benefit we are not okay, I got it. Okay, example, income tax and gift tax, wealth tax and VAT. Okay, value added tax. So these are the tax so not paid okay, means we are direct benefit we are not. Okay, I got it. Okay, so the fees payer can get a direct or benefit for okay paying a fees. For example, so we are okay we are paying a payment means so we are getting a lot of the benefits. Okay, so stamp fee and driving license fees, and next one is a government registration fees. Okay, yeah, so these are under. So students, uh, we are finishing that lesson. Okay, yeah, government and taxes, that lesson finishing that. So today we are going to few many topics. So the first one is black money and causes of black money, and tax evasion, and tax evasion penalties. And next one is the taxation, taxes and development. So on the topic, okay, a few many subtopics also having there. The resources mobilization and reduction inequalities of income and social welfare and foreign exchange and regional development and control of inflation. And last one, the distinguish, that means the difference between a tax and payments. Okay, so I hope so we are all clear about that lesson. uh, so that is if you have any doubt means ask immediately. Thanks for watching. Thank you one and all.